Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making a very refreshing drink called Shikanjabi, Nibu pani or Indian lemonade. For this recipe, we're going to need water or sparkling water. You can use soda as well. Lemon juice and lemon slices, sugar or honey, roasted jeera powder, chaat masala, white salt, black salt, black pepper powder, mint leaf, and ice cubes. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna use a little bit water. It's like maybe a couple tablespoons or so. We're gonna add sugar to mix it, because if water is cold or anything we're using cold and your sugar not dissolve quickly, so that's the reason I'm using like regular water. It's a little bit. You mix it well until all your sugar dissolve. You can use 7-Up if you wanted. You can use regular water, because Shikanjabi is basically a Nibu pani. Nibu means lemon and pani means water, so that is basically a lemonade, but it has a like spiciness in there. It's a little bit spicy and it's good for your digestive system too, especially in summertime. It cools you off and it's very refreshing. So we're gonna add some salt. Now our sugar is dissolved. It's a white salt. We're adding a little bit, and we are adding our black salt. Black salt is adding really good flavor to it. It's kind of smoky, but it's very good for your digestive system as well. You can use less or more, but I love the black salt so much for some things. It's not always good for everything you make. You will smell like a smoky in there. So black pepper powder. We're adding our roasted cumin seed powder, jeera powder, and we have some chaat masala. It's add really good flavor to it. You can skip it if you want to, but it's very good. Basically, we're mixing it. You can add sugar less or more. You can add honey, but I'm not. And here is our lemon juice. So we add everything in there. So we're gonna mix it really well, really good. Originally, people were using only two things: black pepper, black salt, lemon juice, sugar, and salt. But when you make this way, it's super delicious. So now, we're gonna add our ice cubes into our cup. I like a lot of ice cubes in there. If it's cold, you feel very good about that. So we're gonna add our mixture to the glass. And we can add more, and if you like it at this point, you can add some lemon slices in there. You don't have to. It looks good in there. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna open our sparkling water. I'm using sparkling water. You can use regular water if you don't have it, and it's gonna be just perfect. So here we are mixing. After this, you can check the taste if you want to. And here I'm gonna use straw to mix it. Okay, so you can add this, and for decoration or garnish, you can choose the little bit of mint leaves if you like it. If don't, skip it. Some people have an allergy from, please do not choose it if you are. And I feel like that's how it is. You can just mix it well before you serve. Okay, here is a refreshing Shikanjabi or Nibu pani or Indian lemonade ready to drink. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you with a new video. Until then, enjoy and happy Women's Day to all of you. Take care.